Let's quickly have a look at the ingredients for our salad. For the dressing, you need 2 teaspoons of chopped walnuts, 2 teaspoons of chopped cranberries, juice of 1 lime, salt and pepper to taste, and 1 teaspoon of olive oil. And of course, 1 bunch of spinach leaves which has been washed, dried and de-stemmed. Let's start by making the salad dressing. We'll add the walnuts first into a bowl, followed by the cranberries, the lime juice, olive oil, salt and pepper. Mix it all well. You can also add chopped almonds instead of the walnuts and chopped raisins instead of the cranberries. Now all that's left to do is to mix it with the spinach. I'm going to use my salad mixers to mix this up. Make sure you mix the dressing just before you're ready to serve the spinach, or the spinach tends to wilt very quickly. Our spinach, walnut and cranberry salad is done. It's best when it's served immediately. If you like this recipe, subscribe to India Food Network and don't forget to write in with your feedback and comments.